She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are in day 4 of 31 blends of Halloween. Doing good so far. So I'm coming to you guys with another hair blend request. This one is coming from Diamond Bassfield, who wanted to see the colors green and purple blended together. And so I'm gonna do that, but I thought I'd make it a little fun, and I gave you guys 3 different shades of purple. So we're doing this neonish purple and then a regular purple, and then we'll add a pastel light purple to the mix just to give you guys some different shades here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this blend. Drop some comments if you do like this blend down below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to get more videos out there. And I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in my next blend. Bye guys.